Okay.
All right, so yeah, so here we are, just back having a look at the grapes. These are the seedless grapes.
These are Einset. Look at that. This is end of July.
Starting to get some
They're
color.
starting to get color. Here, I'll give you one to eat, Ken.
Oh, there's one ripe one, and I get it. Wow, I'm very special. I have a feeling it's going to have a little tart. No, it's good.
Yeah.
Wow.
So there's another one coming on.
So previous videos we did of these, we were showing how we train them to grow on this trellis here, and how we were training them onto the wires, and we had our Max Tapner there, and showing how you were attaching them. And these grapes have really responded. Like, look at the size.
I'm really happy with what's turned out here. And this is like the Hanging Gardens of Babylon.
Yeah. Look at the grapes.
The weight of these is something else on there.
It just tells you how much the plants appreciate that hard pruning, eh? Yeah. Just unbelievable how they respond.
Keep going in. I just keep pruning all this riffraff off all summer long.
Yeah. Trimming off anything that's not needed or not necessary.
Yeah. And there's no mildew, or very little mildew. A little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit, sort of, a little bit on the leaves, a little bit, but the fruit is beautiful. But I think pruning
helps with the mildew control. You know, keeping the foliage back, getting the light and the air to the fruit.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, these are. This is. And which variety was this one?
This one's Einset.
Einset.
The one next to it is Arkansas Reliance. This one here.
So Arkansas is over here.
Reliance.
Yeah, different cluster, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful though. It's just lovely. And
look at that cluster. Ooh.
Yeah, it's just right in there. Well, we certainly these plants have really responded well to the pruning, and they've produced some incredible clusters of fruit. And a little tiny bit of mildew, looks like it's just on the early point, but still they're doing pretty darn good. And
the key thing is to keep the mildew off the fruit.
Yeah, and that's how sort of keeping it with good air circulation. And now over here, the kiwis.
This is one variety here of kiwi, but I really murdered them, so the production is not going to be great. Although I'm quite surprised at this other plant. This one's the male, so of course it produces.
Yeah,
nothing.
So we have a male, and then we have a female and a female.
Yeah, female on this side, but this one here is producing quite well.
Yeah, it's got a fair bit of fruit in it. You can see right in here, doing all right. Yeah. Getting some nice clusters up there. Yeah. So this is Actinidia arguta.
Arguta, yeah, Actinidia arguta, and I'm not sure what the varieties are, but one is Anna. One of them is Anna.
Right. Well, these ones again, they need the male and the female for cross pollination, and they certainly turned out a lot easier to control the way you've got them trained up and over this trellis. So
Ken, I'm happy. Previous years, the vines would grow into the neighbor's fence and you know how kiwis do. They wind through the fence and make it really difficult to deal with. Now, with this extension on this side, I'm just coming out one side like this. So
yeah, well, I'm certainly liking it, and I think that they've done really well. And like you were saying when we were in the first video we did, you were just saying how, you know, this is really for the future. We just want to get the framework up.
Yeah, want to get that all done.
Yeah. So. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, that's very cool. It's good to get an update on the grapes and the kiwis. They're looking great. And it's July 28th, 29th today. Yeah, there you go. 2023. All right. Have a good one.